What's up, you guys? I'm going to be making a quick little video here to share with you all on how to put your iPhone 11 and some other models into iTunes restore mode. So you want to press the volume up and then the volume down and then the power button and hold it until the phone turns off, and continue to hold it until you see the restore iTunes screen pop up. From this stage, you'll see this screen pop up and it will ask you if you want to update or restore. From this stage, you just want to follow the procedures to downloading it, and then let it go through the second stage to download into the phone, and then it should, once it complete the whole procedure, it should take you back to the setup screen, and you just go from there. I hope this video was helpful to you guys in some kind of way. And if you have not subscribed to us already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. We look forward in the future to continue to post the more helpful content for you all. Until then, you guys be safe, take good care of yourself, and have a blessed day.